Beautiful young people are accidents of nature, but beautiful old people are works of art, says Eleanor Roosevelt. Hello and welcome back to Radiant Midlife with Pallavi Pinge, where we embrace the changes of midlife with grace, strength, and sparkle. I'm so happy you're here today, listening to my podcast, Ambrosia Wellness, Nurture Her, Wellness, Wisdom, and Worth. I'm actually thrilled to have you with me today for an episode that touches every woman at some point. The visible impact of menopause on skin and hair, and more importantly, what we can do to feel beautiful inside out. The real impact of menopause on your skin and hair. You wake up, look in the mirror, and wonder, was that wrinkle there yesterday? Or why is my hair so limp lately? Let me assure you, it's not your imagination. As estrogen declines in menopause and perimenopause, your body reduces collagen production, leading to thinner, less elastic skin, more pronounced wrinkles, dryness, and dullness. Hair suffers too. With a relative rise in testosterone and fall in estrogen, you may notice hair thinning, especially at the crown, dry scalp, sometimes even facial hair. But don't despair. Midlife isn't about losing your glow. It's about learning how to care for yourself differently. Top nutrients for glowing skin and strong hair. Now that you know what's going inside, let's talk about what to put inside your body to glow outside. Here are the top nutrients your skin and hair need, especially during menopause. 1. Vitamin C. It boosts collagen and brightens the skin. It fights oxidative damage. Some food sources of vitamin C are amla, oranges, bell peppers, and strawberries. 2. Vitamin E. Locks in moisture, protects the skin cells from sun damage. Some sources of vitamin E are almonds, sunflower seeds, spinach, avocados, and nuts. 3. Vitamin A, especially beta carotene. It encourages cell renewal. It helps prevent acne and dryness. Some sources of vitamin A are carrots, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, and greens. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. They keep the skin supple and hydrated. They nourish the scalp and reduce hair loss. Sources of omega-3 fats are flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and salmon. 5. Zinc. It repairs the skin and boosts hair growth. It controls oil production and reduces inflammation. Some sources are pumpkin seeds, lentils, and cashews. 6. Collagen or collagen boosters. Improves skin elasticity and structure, can reduce signs of aging. Some sources of collagen are bone broth, citrus fruits, egg whites, and collagen powders. 7. Selenium. Fights free radical damage, protects the skin from premature aging. Some sources are Brazil nuts, whole grains, and mushrooms. 8. Biotin or B7. Promotes hair strength and thickness. Prevents flaky scalp and dry skin. Some sources of vitamin B7 or biotin are eggs, sweet potatoes, seeds, and legumes. Water. 9 is water. Hydration is your foundation. Water flushes out toxins and keeps the skin cells plump and healthy. These nutrients work synergistically to repair, protect, and rejuvenate not just externally but at a cellular level. Beauty tips for radiant aging. Let's combine nutrition with external care. Here are 7 beauty rituals you can start today. 1. Hydrate with adequate water daily. Herbal teas count too. Dryness is the first noticeable skin change. In summers, add 500 ml or half a liter more water than your usual water intake. To know your exact water requirement, you can buzz me on Instagram at Eat Right with Pallavi and I'd be glad to help you. 2. Use omega-3s daily for supple skin and shiny hair. 3. Choose skincare products with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid and peptides. Opt out of sulfate and paraben containing products for both the skin and hair care. Check the ingredient list on the product label for the same. 4. Gently exfoliate once a week with oatmeal or fruit enzymes. 5. Massage your scalp with nourishing oils like Bringaraj Tel, coconut oil or rosemary. 6. Reduce stress through mindful rituals such as yoga, dance, prayer or journaling. 7. Wear sunscreen daily, even indoors. It's your skin's best anti-aging shield. UV rays or ultraviolet rays speed up aging. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen daily, even when you're using the screen, when it's cloudy or when you're just near a window. A deep glow from the inside out. Let's take a moment to shift the lens. Radiance in midlife isn't about reversing age. It's about reflecting self-love, acceptance, and grace. You are evolving, not disappearing. When you nourish yourself, your mind, your body, and spirit, you begin to embody a beauty that's timeless. What's next? If this episode made you nod, smile, or take notes, share it with a sister or a friend going through the same changes. It's time we make these conversations normal and empowering. In the next episode, we are tackling the mental side of menopause. Is your inner critic getting louder? Rewriting your self-talk in midlife. Because sometimes the harshest words that we hear are the ones we say to ourselves. Until then, eat well, rest well, glow from within, and remember, your best years aren't behind you. They're just beginning. For personalized advice and guidance, feel free to email me at pallavi@ambrosiawellness.com or send me a direct message on Instagram at Eat Right with Pallavi.